Well, hey, all, thank you so much for choosing to watch my video about this Alpha Griller Meat Thermometer. Now, when I get done with this quick review, you might be scratching your head asking the same question that I did. How come other manufacturers charge so much for a basic meat thermometer? This thing is packed with all the features you need at a very competitive price. Let me show you. Cooking meat to the right internal temperature is the best way to protect your family from foodborne bacteria, and the secret to soft, fluffy, restaurant-quality baked potatoes is making sure that the internal temperature of the potato is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. One thing that surprised me is that not only does this thermometer come with the battery installed, but they also throw in an extra battery, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. One of my favorite features is the internal magnet because I stick it to my refrigerator door so that I don't have to search for it in the drawer. Now let's take a look at the controls. There's a backlight that makes the display easy to read. There is also a hold button for temperature readings and a switch to display the temperature in either Fahrenheit or Celsius. The manufacturer also includes a meat temperature chart. With all its features and affordable price, it's easy to see why the Alpha Griller Meat Thermometer is one of the top sellers. Now, if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.